My name is Azhar Khalid. I am the CEO and founder of Denim-E. Graduated from Textile Institute of Pakistan in the year 2009 in the discipline Apparel Manufacturing and Merchandising. Coming to TIP was not planned, not at all. One of my friends were in TIP, and then I get into TIP somehow. And I did some good internships with some good mentors. So then I thought, it can be a great career. The confidence level that the teachers were giving and some mentors were there, and some teachers were also in the industry and then they were teaching us. We were like feeling already in the industry. I started off from merchandising and product development, and it was 10 years of very good experience. And then I found some big gaps, those companies were not targeting those niche markets. It was on the mind always that one day we'll do something, and then it was Denim-E. It's only been 6 years, grown like more than 100% every year. Last year was like 50%, and then we are targeting 50% every year. I can say that with water treatment plant, recycling, with the renewable energy, with all the practices that we are doing, I can claim that, we are one of the few companies who is giving, 100% sustainable clothing for big brands. If I tell you that what TIP gave to me, number one was personality grooming, technical knowledge, and then entrepreneurial kind of mindset rather than, job kind of mentality. So I think if you want to be an entrepreneur and if you want to be a career-oriented guy, TIP is the place to go.